Welcome to Eye in the Sky Drones. We're back with another drone take. Today we're signing in from the pool and we're going to be using the Action 4 to see how this guy does underwater. And if you take a look, we got prime action over here, the pool area. Perfect time to test this guy out before I go on vacation and see how it really does.
In salt water.
In salt water, out in the elements. I'm gonna keep it cool and go in the pool. So one of the first things that you have to do is you have to tighten the lens on here so it can go in the water. I think it's 30 meters is regulated to go underwater without any equipment on it. So what, 30 meters, that's 150 feet. I'm going in 4 feet of water, and let's see how this thing does. Stop the video. It's a PSA. If you're going to take the Action 4 into water, there's one step you need to do. Yes, this is waterproof, going down to, what is it, 90 meters, 150 meters, something like that, without any casing. But before you put this in water, you see the little dial on the screen? You must turn it to the right and make sure it's locked. That seals all of the water out, and you'll be fine right after that. All right, so here we go. We're gonna see the Action 4 in water and see how it does. Come on. As you can see, the Action 4 does great underwater.
At 2 feet.
At 2 feet. This is not ocean quality, but it's 2 feet in the pool, and we got the Action 4 underwater. Okay, I think I'm gonna sign out from Eye in the Sky Drones here. Always be safe and have fun flying. In this case, have fun swimming.